Integers, natural numbers, are also called as counting numbers or positive numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1. Natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. Therefore, whole numbers starts from 0. Whole numbers including negative numbers are called integers. If we represent integers on a number line, this is horizontal number line and it is vertical number line. Right side of 0 will be positive numbers and left side of 0 will be negative numbers. Above 0 are positive numbers and below 0 are negative numbers on vertical line. Comparison of integers. Positive numbers are greater than 0 and 0 greater than negative numbers. Second point, numbers on right side of number line are greater than numbers on left side. Numbers on right side are greater than numbers on left side. If we take -3 and -2 is on right side of -3, therefore -2 is greater than -3. -1 is greater than -2. Same way, 0 is greater than -1. -1 is less than +1 because +1 is on right side. Numbers above 0 on number line are greater than numbers below 0. 1 is greater than 0. 0 is greater than -1. Addition and subtraction of integers. If same sign integers are there, then add them and put the same sign. Examples, +3 +2. They are of same sign. Then add 3 and 2 and put the same sign. That is +5. 4 +2. 4 means +4. 4 +2 is 6. -3 -2. Same sign. Then add those numbers and put that sign. The sign is -3 +2 is 5. -4 -2. Same sign. Then put the sign minus and add them. 6. If different signs are there, subtract and put the sign of greater number. +3 -2. Different integers, different signs. Then subtract 3 -2, 1 and put the sign of greater number. Plus 3 -2 equal to 1. +4 -2. Different signs. So subtract and put the sign of greater number. 4 -2 is 2 and plus. So +2. 2 -3. Different signs. Subtract 3 -2 is 1 and sign will be minus. 2 -4. Different signs. Difference of 4 and 2 is 2 and sign will be minus. Greater numbers sign. Multiplication of integers. If same sign integers are multiplied, then multiply those numbers and put positive sign. +3 +2. Then +6, that is 6. -3 -2. Minus into minus plus. So +6. 4 2s 8. Minus into minus plus. +8. Same signs, then plus will be the sign. Positive will be the sign. If different sign integers are multiplied, multiply those numbers and put negative sign. plus into minus, minus 3 to 6, minus into plus, minus 3 to 6, plus into minus, minus 4 to 8, minus into plus, minus 4 to 8. Division of integers. If same sign integers are dividing, so then you divide and put positive sign. 4 divided by 2 can be written as 4 by 2. Divide and put positive sign plus 2. And these two are same sign. Minus 4 divided by minus 2. Then put plus sign and 2. So minus 4 by minus 2, minus minus cancel and 2 2s are 4. If different signs are there, divide and put minus sign. Minus 4 divided by 2. Minus 4 divided by 2. Then minus 2 2s are. So minus 2. 4 divided by minus 2. 4 divided by minus 2. Both are different signs. So put minus and 2 times. For a given integers, its additive inverse will be put opposite sign. The additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. Additive inverse of minus 10 is plus 10. Additive inverse of plus 5 is minus 5. If we add 2 and minus 2, the sum will be 0. Minus 10 plus 10 equal to 0. Plus 5 minus 5 equal to 0. That means if we add an integer with its additive inverse, the sum will be 0. For a given integer, multiplicative inverse will be reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of minus 10 is minus 1 by 10. Reciprocal of plus 5 is 1 by 5. If we multiply 2 and 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1. Minus 10 into minus 1 by 10 equal to 1. 10, 10 cancel, minus into minus plus. Plus 5 into 1 by 5 equal to 1. That means if we multiply an integer with its reciprocal, the product will be 1. For a given integers, its additive identity will be 0 and multiplicative identity will be 1. For the given integers 2 minus 10, 5, what should be added so that its identity does not changes? If we add 0, 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 is added, will be minus 10. 5 plus 0 equal to 5. Its identity did not change. So 0 is the additive identity of the given integer. 2 ones are 2. Minus 10 into 1 is minus 10. 5 into 1 is 5. Its identity did not change. Properties of integers. First property, closure property. Addition of two integers is again an integer. Therefore, integers obey closure property under addition. Subtraction of two numbers is again an integer. Therefore, subtraction of integers obey closure property. Multiplication of two numbers is again an integer. Therefore, it obeys closure property. But division of two numbers, it gives fraction. That means it does not obey closure property. Integers does not obey closure property under division. Commutative property. Addition of two integers obeys commutative property. 3 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 3. 5 equal to 5. Subtraction of two integers a minus b is not equal to b minus a. That means it does not obeys commutative property. A into b equal to b into a. 3 into 2 equal to 6. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Therefore, it obeys commutative property. A by b is not equal to b by a. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So, it does not obey commutative property. Associative property. Addition of three integers obeys associative property. Take a equal to 3, b equal to 2 and c equal to 1. 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Therefore, addition of three integers obeys associative property. Subtraction of three integers does not obey associative property. LHS is not equal to RHS. Multiplication of three integers obeys associative property. A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Put A equal to 4, B equal to 3 and C equal to 2. 4 3 is 12, 12 into 2 24. 3 2 6, 6 into 4 24. So it obeys associative property. Division of three numbers does not obey associative property. Distributive property. Distributive of multiplication over addition equal to A into B plus A into C. Distributive of multiplication over subtraction. A into B minus A into C.